Hi, my name is Jorge Mario Beltorazzi Camo. My ID number is 2007-18-1871. I am going to talk about XR graph. Okay, this graph is used when you need a control continuous variables in a production process. For example, filling lines. Other example of this is an ensemble line. And all process when you need a period constant of time. The idea of this method is find problems and find solution of this. Who use this method? Okay, the first step is get a dates collection. The next step is get medial range. The next step is get control limits. The next step is make a graphics. And the most important step is the analysis, because in this step find the errors, and the conclusion is the solution of these types of problems. Thanks for your time.
My name is Jasmine Moy, ID 2014-00-514. I'm going to talk to you about the P-chart. This is a statistic tool used for analyze the unit defective into the specific batch. For this, you need the sum of all the unit defective and the sum of the total data of the batch. For the graph, you need to obtain your p-average, that is the unit defective divided into the total of units of the batch. So when this, you can, in a formula, you can obtain your upper limit control and your lower limit control. This information is going to use for plot the graphic. In this graphic, you have to looking for the points that are out of this limit. If you have some points out of the upper limit or the lower limit, you have to repeat the process and looking for other points that are out of this limit. The principal idea is to obtain a graph with any point of out of the limit.
Hello, my name is Edwin de Leon. My ID number is 2008-15398. About MP chart, number of defective units control sample is equal chart MP, because to get this type of group for each simple season, you need according to the formula, MP is summed MP for a number of samples, LCS and LCA and MP more and men 3 MP less MP and C-chart control the number of defective per unit and equal MP only for the directives and the employers per unit.
Hello, my name is Oscar Daniel Mendez Gonzalez with the ID 2014-03971. I'm going to talk about the U control chart. The U control chart is basically the chart where you see and analyze the defects per unit in a production line. This means that you will see how many defects are in every single unit, not in all the production line. Now, for this, we must use a formula. The formula is the number of defects you see divided into the total units you analyze, and this will cause the U data and the U detail. This then you can put it in a percentage way for analyzing better and for understanding for the most of the people. Then you can graphic this production line in order of time to see in which time you have more defects or less defects. For this, you can use the limits of the U by simply having the U bar divided, no, the U bar plus each U multiplied by 3, and this in a square root. This is how you use the U chart for analyzing it better. As seen before, all control charts, we can conclude that the control charts are mainly used for troubleshooting and diagnose early troubles and problems that we can have in a production line. Also, this is a basic tool that it's very useful for all the control of an enterprise. And finally, this is a control chart that you can use it with all the employees involved.